Take out the device and all the accessories. Install the accessory rack and the device with the screwdriver. There are 2 spare fuses in the accessory bag. They can be the replacement if the fuse in the device is broken. Take out the broken fuse with a screwdriver. Install the spare fuse for the replacement. Install the power cord. Install the facial ultrasound handle. Insert the connection wire into the corresponding socket. Please note, the facial ultrasound handle shares the same socket with the eye ultrasound handle. When using the eye ultrasound handle, take out the facial ultrasound handle connection wire first. Then insert the eye ultrasound handle connection wire. Install the skin scrubber handle. Insert the connection wire into the corresponding socket. Install the cold and hot hammer handle. Insert the connection wire into the corresponding socket. Install the microdermabrasion handle. Insert the one end of the white rubber hose into the inlet, and insert the other end into the end of the microdermabrasion handle. Take out the black rubber rings from the accessory bag. Install them on handles. There are 6 in total. Spare ones can be the replacement. Check out all handles are well connected and then connect the power cord. Press the power button. Install the cooling filter in the handle. Please note, the cooling filter is a must. Press the red on-off button. Start the microdermabrasion operation. Twist the knob to adjust the section level. Twist it to the left to decrease the section, and twist it to the right to increase the section. The bigger the section is, the tighter the filling is. It is advised to operate for 10 minutes per time at whole face. After the operation, take out the diamond tip, remove the cotton filter and throw it away. Clean the diamond tips with clean water. Turn off the device. Tap Mode to select the cold hammer function. Adjust the working time. The scope is 0 to 60 minutes. It is advised to be 15 to 20 minutes. Adjust the energy. The scope is 0 to 10. It is advised to be 5 to 9. Tap Start. Apply the essence on the face evenly before the operation, or apply the facial mask, then operate the cold hammer. Clean the handle after the operation. Tap Mode to select the hot hammer function. The working time is advised to be 5 to 10 minutes. The energy is advised to be 3 to 7. Tap Start. Cold hammer and hot hammer are the same handle. Apply the essence on the face evenly before the hot hammer operation. Tap Mode to select ultrasound function. Time for face is advised to be 10 to 15 minutes. Time for eyes area is advised to be 5 to 10 minutes. The energy is advised to be 3 to 8. Tap Start. Apply essence on the face evenly before the ultrasound operation. Do not operate on the dry area. Clean the handle after operation. The skin scrubber operation. Press the button on the skin scrubber to start. Please note, don't need to operate on the device when using the skin scrubber. Only need to turn on the power button. There are 3 modes for the skin scrubber. Tap once to start the constant working mode. It is for removing keratin, grease, infusion, and lifting. Tap twice to start fast vibration mode. It is for deeply removing fields, blackheads, and cleaning pores. Tap 3 times to start intermittent vibration mode. It is for massage, dredging pores, removing acne, and suitable for the oily skin. Tap 4 times to stop. Keep the skin wet during the operation. The front side of the skin scrubber is for cleansing. The back side of the skin scrubber is for infusion and lifting. Please note, select the side according to one's need. It is advised to operate for 10 minutes per time. Clean the skin scrubber after operation and keep it well.